Hello, everyone, and welcome to our 2026 NFL Big Data Bowl entry, Detecting Defensive Pass Interference, or DPI, with data. For this, we created a metric called the DPI Index used to measure the magnitude of a pass interference call. So let's get to it. Just starting with a little bit of background, pass interference penalties are one of the most impactful events in the game today, especially when it's on the defense. They're also very difficult for officials to call and very easy to miss. So this is our idea. Say you have a pass play, and let's say you have early contact, while the ball flies over the head of the receiver, like so, which would suggest defensive pass interference. And the referee would come in and throw a flag for the penalty. Was it a good call? Perhaps. But with a call like this, does the official really need to be left alone on an island to make this decision? What if the official got some kind of signal? Maybe it came from the replay officials in the booth, and maybe they or all of them received a signal with a number like this. Well, this is our idea, a DPI index that can pop up on, say, a dashboard indicating the magnitude of a possible pass interference. A number like this can possibly prompt the official to check replay or at least confirm if his call is the right one. So if we go back to our play here, we have the contact and the pass. Then ideally we would have data funnel through an algorithm to produce this number. Of course, the figuring out of this number is the meat of the project. Using the provided tracking data and other data that is publicly available, we were able to determine 5 main factors: contact timing, impact on catch, defender head position, separation, and situational contact. Now let's take a look at a real-world example. This is a play from a Giants-Cowboys game in November 2023. You can see the live action play is on the left, and the dot animation through player tracking is on the right. The Cowboys are on offense. In this case, there is a defensive pass interference penalty that is called on the Giants. The receiver, CeeDee Lamb, as you can see, still makes the grab. And here is a snapshot of the DPI score that the algorithm determined. As you can see, it maxed out at 100%. This snapshot and all the details are also available as a link in our project write-up as well as in the YouTube video description. There is certainly future work for this project. For one thing, we would like to try to reach out to replay officiating and discuss if there is something like this already in the works, and if something like this can be helpful for replay officiating. One thing I didn't really talk about with this project was that this concept is also helpful for football teams because it goes through trends in pass interference calls. So if it doesn't work in support of replay officiating, there are other advantages with this metric as well. Thanks so much for watching, and best of luck to all the other entries in the Big Data Bowl this year.